Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make scalloped corn. It's an easy dish, a quick dish, and I'm going to do like a Thanksgiving special. I'm going to put a lot of side dishes on, so you'll have many to choose from. Some will only take 5 minutes to throw together, but taste like $1 million, like it took you hours that you slaved over the stove. So let's get started on our scalloped corn. So of course we're going to spray our pan, and then we have milk and finely sliced onions, butter, sugar, and 3 eggs. Now you're going to take the 3 eggs and you're going to slightly beat them. Okay, so now we're going to take all the ingredients and mix them together, including the corn and the crushed saltine crackers. Okay, so we have everything mixed together now, and we just have to, we already sprayed our dish. Try to stir it really good. Try to get the milk over everything. See how it's looking? Try to get the milk. Try to bring that milk from the bottom, and so it gets all over the corn. And gets those crackers all wet. Looks good now. I didn't even cook it yet. Oh, that should look good. Just joking. Okay, so see how simple this was? It took 3 minutes to throw it together. It's frozen corn, an onion, like a thinly sliced onion. You could actually put it on dried onion if you don't feel like chopping the onion. And then crackers, saltine crackers, and milk, and 3 eggs. So seems like it is stirred up. That I think it's, see what it looks like? Just make sure all your crackers are stirred in. Make sure that milk gets mixed over everything. Okay. And you can pepper this to your own taste. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the pan. I'm in the casserole dish. Now I put it in the casserole dish like this. We're going to top it with the saltine butter mixture. Okay, so a simple dish, very good dish, a delicious dish. You just take it all, throw it together, mix it in a bowl like you saw in the video. Stick it in the oven at 325 for an hour, and you have an excellent dish to take to a Thanksgiving dinner or to serve at your own Thanksgiving Day dinner. And what's nice about this is it's easy to carry to somebody's house, or you don't have to worry about your corn. All you do is throw all your casseroles, like your sweet potatoes, and you just throw them all into the oven. And then you're ready to go. Get your turkey prepared, your gravy, your mashed potatoes and stuff. You don't have to worry about your side dishes because they're already in the oven. They were made the day before. So I'm telling you, this is very good. Saltines, like, give it like I don't know, like a good, I don't know, it reminds me of eating corn on the cob. That's what it reminds me of. So good. It has a crunch to it because it's the saltines. Please give it a try. Please subscribe. And please come back.